students, in the last lecture we discussed some basic definitions of partial differential equation and the problems on eliminating arbitrary constants. Now in this lecture I am going to discuss formation of partial differential equation. What are students? Formation of partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function. By eliminating arbitrary function. So write down students. Formation of partial differential equation. Formation of PDE. By eliminating arbitrary function. By eliminating arbitrary function. Here we have two model students. First one is if you given like this, z is equal to f of xy. Z is equal to f of xy students. Now what is arbitrary function here? F of xy. How do you eliminate arbitrary function students? We already known, we are finding the values p, q, r, s, t. We are finding the values of p, q, r, s, t. Thereby we are finding relation among them. P plus q, like p plus q is equal to 0, or xp plus yq is equal to 0, like these students. This is the first case student. And the next case is, this is like f of uv is equal to 0 students. The second model is f of uv is equal to 0. uv is equal to 0. Here u comma v are function of x, y and z. What about uv students? uv are functions of x, y, z. Second students, uv are functions of x, y, z. I want to tell one simple trick students which is very useful to you. You can solve the problem very easily. Students. Let us see. Now this is solution students. F of uv is equal to 0. Now the required PDE, is what students? I told you directly the solution students. I tell you directly that's the solution. Required PDE. What I am telling students? Directly partial differential equation. What is partial differential equation here? Small p, capital P plus small q, capital Q, that is equal to R students. What is partial differential equation students? Small p, capital P plus small q, capital Q, that is equal to R. Now, in this relation, what we are finding the value students? In this relation, what about small p students? Please recall. Small p is dou z by dou x. And small q, dou z by dou y. We already know these two values students. What about rest of the terms? Capital P, capital Q, capital R? We don't know. It is enough to find capital P, Q, R values. Capital P, Q, R values. I told you directly students. I don't go to the definition change of variable because most of the students cannot be understand. That is why I told you directly directly from the students. Right? I already told you students, I make these videos to reach every students. Every students easily can understand. See, what about capital P students here? Capital P is defined as dou of, what are the functions students here? uv. Dou of uv by dou of yz. Capital P is equal to dou of uv by dou of yz. Are you remember this students? Yes. This is Jacobian. This is Jacobian. Jacobian of UV with respect to YZ, students. Jacobian of UV with respect to YZ. You learn in partial differentiation. You learn in partial differentiation. Now, how do you find dou of UV by dou of YZ, students? This value is determinant of dou U by dou Z. Dou Y, and then dou U by dou Z. And second row, students, dou V by dou Y, and dou V by dou Z. Dou V by dou Z. And capital Q value, dou of UV by, here we have YZ, students. What is next terms? ZX, students. So dou of ZX, that is equal, come on, tell me, students, here, determinant of dou U by dou Z and dou U by dou X. And second row, students, dou V by dou Z and dou V by dou X. Dou V by dou X. What about capital R, students? Dou of UV by dou of XY. Dou of XY. That is equal determinant of dou U by, come on, tell me, students, dou U by dou X. Come on, dou U by dou Y. Here, dou V by dou X and dou V by dou Y. You just simply find the values, determinant values, expand the determinant, find the values, and substitute here in place of capital P, Q, R. Then you got required partial differential equation. Once again, students, what is first method here? First model, that is equal to f of x. Here you are eliminating arbitrary function. How do you eliminate arbitrary function, students? By differentiating with respect to x, y. Okay, students. Then you are finding a relation among P, Q, R, S, T. Thereby you got the required partial differential equation in the first case. The second case, students, he given relation like f of u comma v is equal to 0. What is partial differential equation, students? Small p capital P plus small p capital Q is equal to capital R. Now here we are finding the values capital P, Q, R. Capital P is, students, dou of uv by dou of yz. This is determinant value. Capital Q, students, this is yz here zx. And R, students, xy. You remember, students, you must follow this order. You must follow the order. See, capital P means dou uv by dou yz. You don't write capital P is equal to dou uv by dou xy. It's wrong, students. You must follow the order. Capital P is dou uv by dou yz. Q means zx. R means xy. You simply find the value and substitute here. You get the required partial differential equation. Let us see some problems on arbitrary function. Write down, students. Form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function, students. Arbitrary function. Form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function. So write down, students, z is equal to f of x square minus y square. Z is equal to f of x square minus y square. So students, this is first case, students. Given z is equal to f of x square minus y square. Z is equal to f of x square minus y square. Now we are eliminating f, students. We are eliminating f. So solution given z is equal to f of x square minus y square. Z is equal to f of x square minus y square. So this is one, students. I want to find, I told you, students, we are finding P, Q, R, S, T values. So P is equal to, what about P students? Dou Z by dou X. Dou Z by dou X. So that is equal to, dou Z by dou X means here f dash of x square minus y square. What is students? F dash of, you can write dou f by dou x. That is up to you students. Dou f by dou x means f dash. So f dash of x square minus y square. And again derivative of x square minus y square students. You get 2x. So that is equal to 2x f dash of x square minus y square. Now what about capital small q students? Small q dou z by dou y. So that is equal to, this time f dash of x square minus y square bracket derivative of x square is with respect to y 0. So here minus y square minus 2y, that is equal to minus 2y f dash of x square minus y square. Now observe these two students, these two values. Here we have common factor here, that is f dash of x square minus y square. F dash of x square minus y square. So from, so this is 2 and 3, from 2 and 3, how tell me students, these two are equal students. These two are equal. So you can say that here p by, how tell me, p by 2x, that is equal to q by minus 2y. 2 cancel here students. That implies the cross multiplication, we get here minus yp, that is equal to x cube. Now we transpose the right to students, we get here the x cube right proper order plus yp, that is equal to 0. This is the required partial differential equation. This is required partial differential equation. See students, here we are eliminating arbitrary function here. See, there is no any function here. So this is the partial differential equation of this function students. See the next problem. Right, students. Z is equal to f of x plus e power y g of x. Solution. You find p, q, r, s, t value students. So p is equal to, tell me, dou z by dou x. Here we get f dash of x plus e power y is constant. So we get here g dash of x students. Small q, that is equal to dou z by dou y, that is equal to dou y. With respect to y, x is constant students. So this value is 0 plus e power y derivative is e power y into g of x. What are small r version? We cannot find relation p and q students because we have e power y gx. Here we have e power y g dash of x, and the extra term is here f dash of x. So go to r students. So what is about r? Dou square z by dou x square, that is equal to dou by dou x of dou z by dou x, that is equal to dou by dou x of dou z by dou x students. What is dou z by dou x? F dash of x plus e power y g dash of x. So that is equal to, again derivative students, we get here f double dash of x plus e power y into g double dash of x. Here we don't have any f double dash of x term students. So go to s. What about s students? S dou square z by dou x dou y. So that is equal to dou by dou x of dou z by dou y. So that is equal to dou by dou x of dou z by dou y students. Dou z by dou y e power y g of x. So that is equal to with respect to x, e power y is constant. So e power y into g dash of x. For y into g dash of x. Now here these two are same students, but we have extra term here, f dash of x. So t students. So t is equal to dou square z by dou y square. So that is equal to dou by dou y of dou z by dou y. So that is equal to dou by dou y of dou z by dou y. What is dou z by dou y? E power y g of x. So that is equal to derivative of y with respect to derivative of y. Sorry, dou by dou y of e power y students. We get here e power y g of x. Now see students, these two are equal. These two are equal. So you can say that here, therefore q is equal to t students. That implies q minus t is equal to 0. This is the required partial differential equation of given equation. Right, students, next problem on f of u comma v is equal to 0. Right, form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function f of x square plus y square comma z minus xy, that is equal to 0. See students, this is like f of u comma v is equal to 0 students. F of u comma v is equal to 0. What is partial differential equation students? What is partial differential equation? Small p capital P plus small q capital Q is equal to r. You find capital P Q R value students. You find capital P Q R. Okay students, right. Solution given f of x square plus y square comma z minus xy, that is equal to 0. This is like students f of u comma v, that is equal to 0. Let u is equal to students, u is equal to x square plus y square, and v is equal to students z minus xy, You find here students dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, and dou u by dou z. What is dou u by dou x value students here? Dou u by dou x. You get here 2x. Dou u by dou y students, dou u by dou y. X square value is 0, so you get 2y. Dou u by dou z value students, there is no z term, so the value is 0. Similarly, you find the derivative of v with respect to x, y, z students. So dou v by dou x. Dou v by dou x. Z value is 0. We get here minus y. Dou v by dou y. Dou v by dou y. Z value is 0. We get here minus x. Dou v by dou z. We get here 1 student. This value is 0. This value is 0. Now you find capital P students. Capital P, that is equal to determinant of dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z, dou v by dou y, dou v by dou z. So that is equal to determinant of dou u by dou y. It is 2y. Dou u by dou z. So value is 0. Dou v by dou y minus x. Dou v by dou z value is 1. So that is equal to, we expand the determinant students, 2y minus 0. So you get here 2y. Capital Q is equal to determinant of, how do I understand capital Q? Dou u by, come on tell me, y z, z x, z x. So dou u by dou z, dou u by dou x. Here dou v by dou z, dou v by dou x. So that is equal determinant of dou u by dou z students. Dou u by dou z 0. Dou u by dou x 2x. Dou v by dou z 1. Dou u by dou x minus y. So that is equal to 0 and something is 0 minus 1 into 2x, we get 2x. So that is equal, we get minus 2x. Capital R students. Determinant of Come on, tell me students, dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y. So that is equal to determinant of dou u by dou x, 2x, dou u by dou y, 2y, dou u by dou x minus y, dou u by dou y minus x. So that is equal, we get here 2x into minus x minus 2x square. 2y into, already we have minus here, minus and minus plus, we get 2y square. Therefore, required PDE is small p, capital P small p plus capital Q small q, that is equal to R. That implies capital P value, students, 2y into small p plus capital Q value, students, minus 2x. So minus 2x small q, that is equal to R. R value is 2y square minus 2x square. This is the required partial differential equation of given arbitrary function. See students, how easily solve this problem. If you apply in textbook model, there is change of variable. If you are applying there is chance to done mistake. So it is easy way, students. See students, one more problem on arbitrary function. Write down. Form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function f of x plus y plus z, comma x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0. Solution. It is also like, students, f of u comma v is equal to 0. f of u comma v is equal to 0. Now let u is equal, students, x plus y plus z, and v is equal, students, x square plus y square plus z square. X square plus y square plus z square. What is the next step, students? We find dou u by dou x. What is dou u by dou x, students? 1. Dou u by dou y, 1. Dou u by dou z, this also 1, students. Now we find dou v by dou x. Dou v by dou x, that is equal to 2x. Dou v by dou y, 2y. Dou v by dou z, that is equal to, get here, 2z, students, 2z. Now again capital P, students, capital P, determinant of, come on, tell me, students, capital P, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z, dou v by dou y, dou v by dou z. So that is equal to determinant of dou u by dou y, 1, dou u by dou z, 1, dou u by dou y, 2y, 2z. So that is equal to, get here, 2z minus 2y. 2z minus 2y. Capital Q is equal to, quantum, students, dou u by dou z, dou u by dou x. Now tell me next one, dou v by dou z, dou v by dou x. That is equal to determinant of, these values are 1, 1. Dou by dou z means 2z, 2x. So that is equal to, we get here 2x minus 2z. 2x minus 2z. R value, determinant of dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y. So that is equal to determinant of, first row is 1, students. Dou u by dou x means 2x, dou u minus 2y. So 2x, 2y. So that is equal to 2y minus 2x. Therefore, required PDE is small p, capital P plus small q, capital Q, that is equal to R. That implies, what is capital P value, student? 2z minus 2y into small p plus capital Q students, 2x minus 2z into small q, that is equal to capital R students, 2y minus 2x. If you observe this equation students, you can cancel entire 2 students, so get here finally z minus y p plus x minus z q, so that is equal to y minus x, which is required partial differential equation. See students, how easily we solve this type of problem. Okay students, thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.